Hi friends, class 12, unit 1, homophones and confusables. You have already learned that homophones are words that sound alike but are different in spelling and meaning. Example, feet, feet, F-E-A-T, feet, F-E-E-T, feet. Face, face, F-A-C-E, face, P-H-A-S-E, face. Sort, sort, S-O-R-T, sort, S-O-U-G-H-T, sort. Hair, hair, H-A-I-R, hair, H-E-I-R, hair. Page 6. What are confusables? Confusables are words that are commonly confused with one another in meaning or usage because of slight similarities in spelling, pronunciation, or meaning. Example, moment, movement, accept, expect, human, humane, discover, invent. Exercise 1. Given below is a list of common confusables. Distinguish the meaning of each pair of words by framing your own sentences. Emigrate, immigrate. Emigrate. Leaving homeland. Immigrate. Come to live permanently in a foreign land. Emigrate, immigrate. Both are different spelling, different meaning. Confusables. We are confused by its sound and spelling because there is a similarity in meaning and also in spelling. Question. My friend wants to dash from India to UK. Emigrate. My friend wants to leave homeland. He is in India. He wants to leave India to UK. My friend wants to emigrate from India to UK. He wants to dash to Australia. Immigrate. So he wants to live permanently in Australia. Besides, homophone. Same sound, different meaning, different spelling. Beside, at the side of. Besides, in addition to. Beside, B-E-S-I-D-E. Besides, B-E-S-I-D-E-S. Besides. I was sitting dash my friend. Beside, at the side of. Dash a car. She has a scooter. Besides a car, she has a scooter. In addition to a car, she has a scooter. Judicial, judicious. Judicial meaning relating to justice. Judicious meaning wise, prudent, good action. Judicial, judicious. The minister is facing dash inquiry. Judicial inquiry. The minister is facing inquiry related to court justice. The minister is facing judicial inquiry. Education should be a dash mixture of skill and knowledge. Judicious mixture of skill and knowledge. Education should be a prudent, wise mixture of skill and knowledge. Judicious mixture of skill and knowledge. Eligible, illegible. Eligible meaning satisfying the appropriate condition. Illegible meaning not clear enough to be read. Eligible, illegible. He is dashed to enter the university. He is eligible to enter the university. He satisfied the appropriate condition to enter the university. He is eligible to enter the university. His handwriting is dash, so we cannot read the letter. Illegible. His handwriting is illegible, so we cannot read the letter. His handwriting is not clear enough to be read. His handwriting is illegible, so we cannot read the letter. Conscience, conscious. Conscience meaning a person's moral sense of right and wrong. Conscious meaning being aware of. Conscience, conscious. As he did not receive any bribery, his dash is clear. Conscience is clear. His moral sense of right and wrong is clear. As he did not receive any bribery, his moral sense of right and wrong is clear. Conscience is clear. He is dash of the mistake he committed. Conscious of mistake he committed. He is aware of, conscious of the mistake he committed. Next one, next pair, industrial, industrious. Industrial meaning relating to industry. Industrious meaning hardworking. Industrial, industrious. Japan is an dash country, industrial country. There are a lot of industry in Japan. So industrial country. Japan is an industrial country. Industrial relating to industry. Ant is known to be the most dash of all insects. Industrious of all insects. Hardworking. Ant is known to be the most hardworking, industrious of all insects. Hardworking of all insects. So ant is known to be the most industrious. Ant is known to be the most hardworking. Meaning. Next pair, eminent, famous. So confusables. Eminent, famous. Eminent meaning famous, imminent. Eminent, imminent. So the pair is eminent, imminent. Eminent meaning famous, imminent meaning something bad likely to happen. something bad likely to happen. Eminent, imminent. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is an dash scientist. Eminent scientist. Famous scientist. After storm, heavy rain is dash. Imminent, meaning likely to happen. Next pair, illicit, illegal. Illicit, illicit. The pair is illicit, illicit. Illicit meaning illegal. Illicit meaning to evoke a response. Illicit, illicit. He sold dash liquor. Illicit liquor meaning illegal liquor. The teacher dashed the answer from the student. Elicited the answer from the student. Evoked the answer from the student. Next pair, prescribed, proscribed. Prescribed meaning say what medicine somebody should take, or set down rules. Set down rules. Proscribed meaning prohibited. Prescribed, proscribed. So homophones. The doctor dashed medicine for the child. Answer prescribed. The doctor said what medicine the child should take. So answer prescribed. Certain organizations are dash in Kashmir. Proscribed, meaning prohibited, forbidden. Certain organizations are forbidden in Kashmir. Proscribed in Kashmir. Next pair, affect, effect. Affect meaning to influence something. Effect meaning to affect something. Affect, effect. The cold dash the child. Affects the child. Influence the child. The cold affects the child. This medicine has no side dash. Effects. Effects. So medicine has not affected. This medicine has no side effects. Oral, oral. Oral meaning relating to hearing. Oral meaning verbal. Oral, oral. She developed dash difficulties, so she wears a hearing aid. Mean answer oral. AURAL. So she developed difficulties related to hearing. That is the meaning. Dash medicine is prescribed for the child. Answer oral. 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 So medicine is prescribed by speaking. Oral medicine is prescribed for the child. The child is given prescription by speech. Bone, bone, homophone. Bone, bone. Same sound, different spelling, different meaning. BORN, bone, related to birth. BORNE, bone, related to carried by the thing mentioned. Born, born. She was born in India. She was dash in India. Born, BORN, related to birth. Coronavirus can easily dash born, BORNE. Easily carried away. Carried. It can easily spread. Coronavirus can easily born. BORNE. That's it with me today. Thank you.
I don't know, that's it.